Dear students, today we are going to study multi-degree of freedom system. multi-degree of freedom system. अब इसमें कुछ हम लोग बात करेंगे, लेकिन उसके पहले जो बेसिक हम लोग बहुत पहले पढ़ चुके हैं उसको देखें कि डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम क्या होता है. डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम, दैट मीन्स द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट कोऑर्डिनेट्स, द minimum number of independent coordinates required to describe the motion of a system at any instant is called degree of freedom. If there is only one coordinate system, यहाँ पे बेसिकली हम लोग मैकेनिकल वाइब्रेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, तो हर जगह हम लोग वाइब्रेशन का एग्जांपल लेंगे. और वाइब्रेशन का सिस्टम में बार बार हम बता चुके हैं, देयर इज ओनली 3 एलिमेंट्स: मास, स्प्रिंग एंड डैम्पर. These are the elements of mechanical vibration. Then what happens if the minimum number of one coordinates is required to define the motion of a system is called single degree of freedom. Suppose it is the mass m1, displacement is x1 and this is k1, spring stiffness, then it becomes single degree of freedom. Similarly, when it requires K1 and K2, there are 2 spring and there are 2 mass m1 and m2. It is defined by displacement x1 and x2. That means the system which required 2 coordinates, that you can see here, the system which requires 2 coordinates independently to describe its motion completely is called 2 degree of freedom system. 2 degree of freedom system. This is 2 degree of freedom system. In such system there are 2 mass m1 and m2 which will have 2 natural frequencies omega 1 and omega 2, so that the system will be having 2 equation of motion which may be treated as coupled differential equation. इसी 2 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम को हमने यहाँ भी शो किया है, ध्यान दीजिएगा. दिस इज K1, दिस इज K2, मास m1, मास m2, दिस इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट x1, दिस इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट x2 एंड दिस इज द कपल्ड स्प्रिंग. दिस इज कॉल्ड कपलिंग. इफ देयर इज नो existence of this spring, then it is called uncoupled mass or uncoupled system. So the system will having 2 equation of motion to find the 2 natural frequency of the system. Sometimes non-harmonic motion of the masses makes this motion or the whole system complicated for the analysis. The system at its lowest frequency, because there is 2 frequency omega 1 and omega 2, since our topic is multi degree of freedom, but before to start multi degree of freedom I will discuss single degree of freedom, 2 degree of freedom and multi degree of freedom. But I have already described single degree of freedom. This is the 2 degree of freedom, and in case of 2 degree of freedom one more equation is here and it will have 2 natural frequencies. The system at its lowest or first natural frequency, is called first mode. Then second highest will be second mode, third highest will be third mode. If the 2 masses vibrate at the same frequency, then it is called principal mode of the vibration. The amplitude of one of the masses will be unity it is known as normal mode of vibration. That means once again I will like to discuss, if two masses have same natural frequency, then it is called principal mode of vibration, and if it's one of the amplitude is 0 or unity 1, then it is called normal mode of the vibration. This is the concept of 2 degree of freedom system. Now come to discuss the multi degree of freedom system. This is the example of multi degree of freedom system. This is the M1, this is the M2, this is the M3. This is the displacement x1, this is the displacement of x2, this is the x3. You can say here 3 degree of freedom. That means degree of freedom more than 1 is called multi degree of freedom. We have already gone through the 2 degree of freedom. Now come to the 3 degree, or you can say multi degree of freedom system. The system having more than 1 degree of freedom, 2 degree of freedom is called multi degree of freedom system. We have already discussed 2 degree of freedom system. A system must have as many equations of motion and as many natural frequency as the number of degree of freedom. In principle, the vibration analysis of 2 degree of freedom system is not much different to that of multi degree of freedom system, except that the 2 degree of freedom requires much less mathematical equation, and multi degree requires much differential equation mathematical analysis. As the number of degree of freedom increases, it becomes very tedious to solve the equation of motion and to determine the natural frequencies and mode shape. That we have already discussed the different first mode, principal mode, normal mode, 2 mode, second mode, third mode, etc. in 2 degree of freedom. Now this is the motion where we have to determine the natural frequency. There is 3 displacement. This is the K1, this is K2, this is the K3. The same mass can be kept here vertically, that you can see here. This has been kept vertically. This is the M1, this is M2, this is M3. This is displacement K, spring stiffness K1, K2 and K3. This is the spring stiffness, displacement x1, this displacement is x2 and this displacement is x3. So we can derive the equation here for the multi degree of freedom. The natural frequencies and mode shape can further be determined easily and quickly with the help of computer. Using computer analysis requires matrix method. It will be further quite relevant here to discuss some approximate methods that are used very quickly in the system of multi degree of freedom. That system is, just see here, the further system is approximate method. These are the approximate methods, and there are various approximate methods like Rayleigh methods, Holzer methods, Dunkerley methods, Stodler method, matrix method, Rayleigh-Ridge method. Rayleigh method and Rayleigh-Ridge method both are different. Rayleigh-Ridge method, etc. These are the methods to solve the multi degree of freedom equation. Further, you can see here we have gone through the various single degree of freedom, 2 degree of freedom and multi degree of freedom system. For this we can derive the equation for multi degree of freedom. Just I am taking one example to derive the equation of 2 degree and multi degree of freedom system. Here in case of this system, just see here, this is the 3 degree of freedom system. We can derive the equation for 2 degree of freedom. We have already derived, we are going to derive for this multi degree of freedom system the equation of motion. Equation of motion. Let me derive for 2 degree of freedom also. This is the 2 degree of freedom system here. 2 degree of freedom, then equation can be derived for 2 degree of freedom. What will be the equation? m1 x1 double dot plus k1 plus k1 plus k into x1 minus k x2 equal to 0. This will be equation number 1. For 2 degree of freedom there will be 2 equation. For further mass m2 we can write here m2 x2 double dot plus k plus k2 k plus k2 into x2 minus kx1 equal to 0. This is the undamped 2 degree of freedom system. You can also use here damping. For further damping we can write the equation further. Here our topic is multi degree of freedom system, so we will go for multi degree of freedom system. This equation for multi degree of freedom we can write the equation here m1 for I am writing just for m1 x1 double dot plus k1 x1 plus k2. For m1 there is only k1 and k2, then k1 plus x1 plus k2 x1 minus x2 equal to 0. This is the free undamped vibration equation. This will be equation number 1. For mass m2 x2 double dot plus, for m2 first take the k2, then k2 will be minus, because here this is the plus, k2 into x1 minus x2, x1 minus x2. If you take plus here, then just do x2 minus x1 plus k3 x2 minus x3 equal to 0. This will be equation number 2 for this. For mass m3, just for mass m3, what will be the equation? Because m3 is independent, so m3 x3 double dot plus k3 and x3 minus x2 equal to 0. This is the equation number 3. Now this can be further rearranged in matrix form. This can be rearranged in matrix form. This can be rearranged in matrix form. In matrix form, this can be written as m1 0 for m1 0 0 0 m2 0 0 0 m3. For mass, this will be acceleration x1 double dot, x2 double dot, x3 double dot. Similarly, for spring stiffness, after rearranging the equation in x1 and x2, we can write here spring K1 plus K2 minus K2 0, and this will be further x1 x2 x3 equal to 0. This will be K1 K2. Just we have taken the coefficient of x1 x2 and x3, then minus K2 K3 plus K2 minus K3, and here 0 minus K3 and K3. That is what we have done here. We have just kept here the coefficient of x2 x3. So this is called mass stiffness or inertia stiffness. This is called inertia matrix. This is called stiffness matrix. If there is damper, then there will be damping matrix, and further there will be flexibility matrix in multi-degree of freedom, that we will discuss further in next topic. Our next topic will be influence coefficient, because it plays the great role in multi-degree of freedom. So we have just given here introduction of single degree of freedom, just single degree of freedom, 2 degree of freedom, and multi-degree of freedom. Also I have written equation here for 2 degree of freedom and multi-degree of freedom. The similar equation can be derived for the 4 mass, 5 mass, and so on, and this can be solved with the help of matrix method. Keep watching the further next video. Thank you very much. Please share this video with your classmate and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.